Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a door that will not close. As you can see, there's a gap. Tend to lean over years. As the hinges wear out, the gravity pushes the doors towards each other and then pulls down the ground. As you see here, there's a small gap down there and the larger gap as we approach up there. So first thing you want to do is you want to have these following tools. You have a screwdriver, a wrench, hammer, small screwdriver, and some silicone spray. Okay. First thing you want to do, I'm going to open the door. Make sure these are not loosened. These are tight. And once you tighten it up, if they're loose and you tighten up, it will help. So you want to check that. And let me get my screwdriver. Oh, they're loose. So I'm tightening it up, and you want to make sure you check all these hinges here. Okay, so check all these. If they're still loose, and you go to the next step. But earlier, actually this was really bad. Like this was loose, so when I tighten it up, helps a lot. Because it was actually over 1/8 of an inch, but now it's almost lined up. So next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these spikes out. And then I'm gonna bend, you wanna bend the hinges that is on to the door jamb. And you wanna bend it towards this way. So what that's gonna do is when you bend it towards this way using a wrench, it's gonna lean the door up. So I got this plier here I'm gonna use. You want a big plier so you don't have to use a lot of force, not too hard on you. And then you want to put a cloth over top of it so you don't scratch the hinge. That's the reason why I put a cloth over there, so I won't scratch it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, I'm gonna spray a little bit of silicone spray in it. What this does is it stops the door from squeaking and helps it rotate and everything. You don't want to use WD-40 because WD-40 collects dirt and it can damage the hinges. So just give it a little bit of spray. And this stuff is thicker too, and it drips a little bit, but it doesn't drip as bad. Now if it still doesn't work, you want to do the middle too, but see how the door closed better? Nice, nice, nice. And if you have the same problem with other doors, you do the same thing. Those are the steps that I use to fix the door. And I do have a link below for the silicone spray and other tools that you can use to help maintenance your house and make it feel comfortable like a home. Other than that, thanks for watching. Be safe, and until next time, take care.